A total of 41 RTE staff and contractors travelled to Prague to cover the Ireland-Czechia World Cup playoff semi-final in March. Ireland's biggest game in years took place on March 26 in Fortuna Arena in Prague and saw thousands of Irish fans descending on the Czech capital to support the boys in green. The emotional day for the country, with days leading up to it and the aftermath, received large media coverage on RTE, which broadcast live from the event. Figures released to the Irish Independent under the Freedom of Information Act revealed the number of staff and contractors sent to cover the match. The national broadcasters sent 12 people in on-air roles, including presenters, panelists, commentators, and co-commentators for both video and audio coverage. Some of the on-air personalities who travelled to Czechia include RTE Radio 1's Liveline presenter Kieran Cuddihy, 2FM Drive with Demi and Mikey presenters Demi Isaac and Mikey O'Reilly, and Inside Sport presenter Mary Crow. RTE had 12 people across editorial production roles travel to Czechia, as well as 9 people from RTE's technical teams, 6 journalists reporting in English and Irish language, and 2 people from RTE's commercial partnership team. The Irish Independent also sought records of expenditure associated with the coverage under the FOI Act, including travel, accommodation, production, and any other related costs. However, RTE has said there is no record at this time which sets out the total costs involved. The national broadcaster said costs are still being finalized, and this is likely to take some time. RTE also said it will publish information on its website when the costs have been determined.